Veer can complete a work in X days. Ayush is 40% more efficient than Veer. If both can complete 4 by 7th of the work together, 4/7 of the work together and get 1200 rupees for it. Find the difference between the wage share of Veer and Ayush. Here, two candidates. Veer X days, Ayush is 40% more. If you take the efficiencies, Veer as well as Ayush, if Veer is 100% efficient, Ayush will be 40% more, nothing but 140. So their efficiency ratio 100 is to 140, nothing but 5 is to 7. Their efficiencies are in the ratio of 5 is to. How the efficiency are there? They will get the wages also in that ratio only. So efficiency ఎలా ఉంటే వాళ్ళకి వచ్చే wages కూడా same ratio. Their wages ratio also 5 is to 7 only. Wages ratio also 5 is to 7. We know that their work purpose they are getting 1200 rupees. That means 5 plus 7 12 parts is equals to 1200 rupees. But question asking find the difference between the shares. Difference is how many parts? 2 parts. If 12 parts is 200, one part is 100. 2 parts will be 200. 2 parts is equals to 200. 2 parts equals to 200. Nothing but option D. Option D. Right now. Next. A boat covers 11.2 kilometers downstream in 24 minutes, and the ratio of the speed of the boat in still water to speed of the stream, boat to stream 5 is to 2 ratio. Find the ratio, not asking answers, ratio of time taken by the boat to cover 27 upstream and time taken by boat to cover 105 downstream. Question asking time of upstream to time of downstream ratio. Here ratio not asking exact values that's why no need to use this information, no need to use that information. Directly we can move on basically time formula distance by speed upstream he wanted to cover 27 in upstream, 105 in downstream. By speed we should write speeds in upstream. Upstream stream speed is disadvantage to boat so boat speed minus stream speed nothing but 5 minus 2 it is 3 parts. It is 5 plus 2 7 parts it is 3 nines, 7 34, 7 fives 9 is to 15. We can cancel 3 table, 3 threes, 3 fives 3 is to 5, nothing but option B. Option B 3 is to 5. Next. If the sum of the length of two rectangles A and B is 30 centimeters and their breadths are 8 and 6 respectively, the ratio of perimeters of A to B is 7 is to 4, then find the difference between the perimeters. Question asking difference between the perimeters asking. Now, given the ratio is perimeters ratio, basically for rectangle perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. In the case of first one 2 into length is L1, breadth given that 8 is to second one 2 into L2 plus breadth given 6. This equivalent to 2, 7 is to 4. He was saying 7 is to 4. And question asking it is perimeters ratio, but question asking difference between perimeters. So our options are indicating difference. So what is the difference? 3 parts. That is indicating options. Go through options. For example, as per first option, if 3 parts is 24, if 3 parts is 24, one part will be 8. That means it is 8 7 56, 8 4 32. 56. Shall we see whether the given condition length total should be 30 or not? If it is satisfied, no problem. Otherwise, go for next option. For example, as per this 2 into L1 plus 8 equals 50. So L1 plus 8 equals to 228 times. So obviously L1 equals to 20. In the case of second one 2 16 times 16 minus 6 16 minus 6 nothing but 10. L2 is 10. So sum is 30 we also require sum is 30. So satisfy the condition. That's why option A option A is the answer. If not, go for next. Next. Anurag invested 800 at the rate of R% simple interest for 3 years. Ayush invested 1200 at the rate of R minus 2.5% at simple interest for 3 years. If the interest received by Ayush is 60 more than the Anurag, 60 more than the Anurag, then find the R percentage. We can verify by one option verification normal. If you go for normal, if interest received by Ayush is 60 more, Ayush interest is extra. Ayush interest is extra. So Ayush invested how much? 1200 at the rate of R minus 2.5% for 3 years. So every R% means for 3 years 3R. But he was saying R minus 2.5. So in the case of his 3 into R minus 2.5% of 1200 and 3R percent of 800 ma. 3 are percent. So this one, this difference ma equals to 60. So ma, it is Ayush 60 more than Anurag. First one is Anurag ma. Now here ma percent double zero cancel, for percent double zero cancel ma. This 3 into 12 ma 36 r minus 3 into 8 ma 24 r ma. 36 r minus 24 r ma, nothing but ma 12 r. 12 into 2.5 ma 30 minus 30 becomes as ma, minus 30 becomes as ma, here sorry, 3 into 2.5 ma 7.5, 7.5 into 12 ma 7.5 into 12 ma 90 ma. So minus 90 becomes as plus ma, 90 plus 60 ma 150. So 12.5 rate of interest ma 12.5 percentage. Option B. Option B. Otherwise we can move on one by one option verification, which option will satisfy the condition ma. So by taking one by one option we can solve in that way also. Next, 45 ma. Anurag, a general store owner, wants to make some profit by selling the wheat. He used various methods. Which of the following would maximize his profit ma? Which should be maximize profit ma? So first one clearly 15%. No need of any calculation ma, clearly 15%. So second one is 15% or lesser than or more than ma. Second one ma, he cheats and uses 150 grams less weight instead of 1 kg. So what is at cost and selling at cost? He was selling at cost price only, but he was giving ma 150 grams less ma. So what in that case, what is profit percent ma? So 150 grams profit out of 850, because false weight he was using only 850 ma into 1. Just to check that this value is more than 15% or not ma. Check that thing, no need to do exact variation ma. So 10% is how much ma? 10% ma 85. 10% ma 85. Still ma, is it balance value more than 5% or not? Balance value ma. What is the 5% ma? 42 and half. So compared to 1%, it is more only, obviously below above 15% only. So which is the maximum profit ma? Second one ma. Second one is the maximum profit. Don't tell it exact value ma. Next, 46 to 50 ma. 26, 39, 50, 63, 87 ma. Number series ma. If you see the difference, 26 to 39 ma, what is the difference ma? 13 difference. Here ma 11 difference, 13 difference. By looking ma alternate ma 13, 11, 13. So next should be 11. 63 plus 11 ma 74. 74 nothing but ma option D. Option D 74. Right ma? Next. $12 question mark 8 17 69 553 ma. Here ma, by looking ma, it is, we are getting simple idea. 8 into 2 plus 1, 17 into 4 plus 1, 69 ma nearly 500, 8 times ma 480 plus 72 550 ma 8 times plus 1. So into 8 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1, that means it should be into 1 plus 1 ma. Here into 0.5 plus 1. So 12 into 0.5 nothing but ma 6 plus 1 ma 7. If it is 7 ma, 7 into 7 1, 7 plus 1 8 ma. Option B. Answer ma 7. Next. 24, 48, 96, 176, 296. See the difference ma, 24, 48, 96 ma. Here what is the difference ma? 24. Here difference ma 48. Difference 80. 120 ma. Difference ma 120. Nothing but 24, 48 ma. It is, we can write ma 4 6 6 8s, 8 10s, 10 12s. Product of continuous even numbers ma. 4 6 8 10 12. So next should be 12 into 14 ma. 12 into 14 ma 168. 140 plus 28 ma 168. By adding that ma, last digit is 4 464 ma. 464, 290, 390, 450, 464. Next, 63, 215, 511, 1727, 2743 ma. 2743. So if you observe ma, here no need of addition, otherwise multiplication ma. If you observe carefully, 63 is nothing but, can I write ma this one as a 4 cube minus 1? 4 cube 64 minus 1 ma. It is 6 cube minus 1. It is my 8 cube minus 1. It means even cube minus 1 ma. 4, 6, 8. Next should be 10 cube minus 1 ma. 10 cube minus 1 nothing but ma. 1000 minus 1 ma, 999. 1000 minus 1 ma, 999. Option B. Option B ma, 1000 minus 1, 999 ma. Next. 1685, 344, 2072, 2073, 2072, 2073 ma. Here ma, if you observe the difference, here we can take it as ma, this one, can I write ma? Into 5 plus 5 we can write, because 16 5 is 80 plus 5 ma. 85 into 4 how much ma? 320 plus 23 40 plus 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 4. In that pattern ma, decreasing ma. So next should be into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 3 ma, 344 into 3 ma, 3 4 is 12, 1 12, 13, 1 9 10, 1032 plus 3, 1035 means option E. 1035 ma. Next, the average age of 40 children in a class is 12 years. 12 years. If the teacher's age is included, the average becomes 13 years ma. So initial average 12, whenever teacher is joining, average become 13. That means one increase, average one increase. Question asking what is the teacher age? So teacher age ma, whenever teacher is joined, average one increasing means every person is increases by 1 year. Obviously total 40 persons are there ma. So 40 into 1 ma, 40 plus extra teacher person ma, 13. Overall ma, teacher age will be 53 years ma. Option C. Option C. Next. Ratio of male to female employees in a company X in the ratio 2018 is 6 is to 5. If the 20% of female employees left the company, 120 new male employees are recruited in 2019, the ratio of female employees to male employees in 2019 is 3 is to 5. Find the difference between the male employees and female employees in 2018 ma. He was talking about ma, female and male 2018 2019 ma. First sentence ma, ratio of male to female, male to female ratio ma, 2018 is 6 is to 5. Later here 20% people are left, వెళ్ళిపోయారు ma, left ma. 20% of female are left and 120 new male ma, here recruited 120 persons. At that time in 2019 ma, what happened ma, at that time then the ratio of female to male, female to male ma, reverse order, that should be careful. First female చెప్తున్నా, but we wrote as a male, reverse, make it reverse, make it by making reverse ma, 3 becomes as 5 is to 3, 5 is to 3. Question asking, find the difference between the male to female employees in 2008 ma. This difference asking ma, this difference is how much ma? This we can go through one by one option verification, or normally we can solve ma, our comfortable way ma. If we go through option verification ma, as per first option 140 ma, if one part is 140, one part is 140 ma, it is 700 840, 120 extra, that means 960. 20% deduction, 140 deduction means ma, 140 both the balance ma, 560. Just check that, are you getting 5 to 3 or not? Can you get 5 to 3 ma? We can't get the 5 to 3 ma. 32 3 times it's 32. Sorry, it was, we can't get the 5 to 3 ratio, it's not. So remove the first option, go for next. If it is as per second option, if it is 160 ma, if one part is 160, 165 ma, it is 800 960, 120 extra 1080, 20% deduction ma, 160 for the balance ma, 640. Can you get ma, can you get 5 to 3 ratio ma? Check it ma, 64 and 108 ma, we can cancel in 16 for 4 16s, 4 2s are 8, 28 ma, 4 7s, 27 16 we are not getting ma. That means second option also not suitable. Go for third. As per third option, ma, one part is 180, ma. If one part is 180, female should be 185 is 900, 1 6 ma 1080, 120 extra, 120 extra means ma 1200, 20% minus ma 180, sorry 180 minus 900 minus 180 ma 720. Can you get for 5 to 3 0 cancel, 24 3 is 24 5, 5 to 3 clear getting ma. That means option C ma, option C ma satisfying the condition ma. Otherwise we can follow by normal approach also ma. Next, a 20 liters mixture ma, it is liters ma. A 20 liters mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 3 is to 1. Find the quantity of milk to be added in the mixture. Find the question asking of find the quantity of milk to be added to the mixture such that the ratio of milk to water in the mixture will become 4 is to 1. So total 20 liters ma, in that milk and water in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Nothing but 4 parts equals to 20. What is 5? That means it is 15. It is 5. Initial ga in such a way there ma, but question asking ma, find the quantity of milk to be added, how much milk to be added to make the ratio 4 is to 1, to make the ratio. That means water was not adding, only adding ma milk only. So it's a simple logic ma. So water quantity is same, water is not changed. That means obviously one part equals to 5 liters. If one part is 5 ma, 4 parts will be 20. So this equals to 20 liters. Already 15 on the ma, but we require 20. That means 5 liters ma. We need to add ma 5 liters. 5 liters means ma option B. Right ma. Next, 54. Population of a town in the year 2017 is X and it is decreasing by 20% in the year 2018 and increasing by 12.4% in the year 2019. So he was saying about ma 2017, 18, 19. 17 to 18 ma 20% decrease. 18 to 19 ma 12.5 percentage increase. That thing he was saying ma. And if the total population of 2019 is 5400, then what about ma 2018? So this value is 5400. What about 2018? That means this information ma, this information is not required to you. Just observe this only ma, this only. So 12.5% 1 by 8. From here to there 1 by 8 increasing. When you come back ma 1 by 9th will decrease. Just direct 1 by 9th of that. 1 by 9th means how much ma? 600. Subtract 6 ma, 54 minus 6 ma 48. So obviously answer ma 48 ma. This information not required for it. Directly we can move there ma. Right ma. Next, 55. A and B invested total of 6400 in a business and the ratio of time period ma, ratio of time period. Ratio of time period which A and B invested is 4 is to 3. If they got a total profit of 72, profit share of A is 32, then find the investment of B. He was given ma combined investment, not individual investments ma, but ratio of timings are given ma. In the case of generally in partnership ma, capital into time. First person capital we don't know, but time we know 4 ma. So in the case of first person ma 4A, in the case of second person ma 3B is equals to profits ratio. We know that, that is also given. Total 72, in that A is how much ma 32. So if A is 32, balance will be B only, that means 40. Anyway, double zeros will get cancelled. That's why I'm not what. Alright ma. Now here ma we can cancel 4 8s, 8 5s becomes as ma A by B is equals to 3 by 5. That means their capitals are in the ratio 3 to 5. Nothing but ma 8 parts is equal to 64. 8 parts is 6400. That means one part is how much ma 800. But question not that ma. Question asking what about the B share? One part is 800 ma. 5 parts will be 4000. 5 8s 4. 4000 nothing but ma option D. Option D. Right ma. Next. 56 to 60 ma. 40 is exact values ma. Not exact. 25% nothing but 1/4. 1/4 means ma 90. 12.5 4 times nothing but ma 50. 140 minus 40 by 100. 100 is nothing but 10 square. Option C. Here ma 40% ma 10% 145. 145 4 times ma 560 plus 20 ma 580. It is 580 ma. 580 minus 324 ma 580 minus 324 అంటే 4 and 180 180 plus 76 ma 256 256 is nothing but ma 16 square because question marks we are asking ma. Next, here ma 13% 30% ma 13 fours are 52, it is ma 520. 520 minus 512 nothing but my 8. 56 by question mark equals to 8 sevens. Option A. Next, fifth root of 512 nothing but my it is 8. Plus 8 becomes as ma minus 170 minus 8 ma 162. So question mark cube into 6 is equals to 162. 6 2's 12 ma 42 6 sevens. 27 is which cube? 3 cube. Here ma 4 3 by 12 1 3 by 4 minus question mark fifth ma. Here ma 3 by 12 is nothing but 1 by 4. 4 plus 1 ma 5. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 also 1 only ma. So 5 plus 1 nothing but ma 4 becomes as minus 6 minus 4 ma 2. 2 means option E ma. Option because it is the entire value ma 6 is fifth root ma, so 4 6 minus 4 ma 2. 61 to 65 ma bar graph given below shows the total number of lectures conducted by IIM Lucknow ma. IIM Lucknow 5 different days, total number of lectures taken by female lecturers in these 5 days ma. Female, read the following careful ma. So he was ma green was indicating ma total, in that ma light green color yellow color indicating lectures taken by females ma. 400 total, in that 150 female, balance 250 will be the male. That way we should observe ma, right? Now total lectures taken by male lectures in Friday is what percent more than the Friday male ma. Friday male 200, 450 minus 250 ma, what percent more than total lectures taken by male on Tuesday? Male on Tuesday ma, difference 150. How much more ma? 50 more compared to 150 ma. 50 by 150 nothing but 1/3. 1/3 33 1 by 3. Next, find the ratio of the total lectures taken by female lectures in Wednesday to lectures taken by male to Monday. Female Wednesday ma, female Wednesday 100. Male Monday 400 minus 150 ma 250. 55 15 2 is to 5 nothing but option D. Option D ma 2 is to 5. Next, 63 ma. If 40% of the total lectures taken by male lectures on Thursday is taken by male having age above 50 years pa. 40% total lectures male lectures on Thursday ma. Thursday male is how much ma? 200. Thursday male actually 200 ma. 200 ma. But 40% was taken by above the 50 years candidates. 40% above the 50. Then find the difference between the total lectures taken by male lectures having age below 50 years and total lectures taken by female lectures in that day ma, in that day. So total ma 200 male lectures are there on Thursday. In that 40% above 50 years means below 50 years will be 60% ma. 60% of 200 nothing but 120. And female lectures on that day Thursday female lectures ma 50. 120 50 difference asking ma, what is the difference ma? 70. Question asking ma difference, right pa. Next, 64, find average number of lectures taken by male Monday Tuesday Wednesday. Male Monday Tuesday, sorry, Monday Tuesday and Friday ma. Monday Tuesday Friday. Monday ma 250, Tuesday 150 and Friday is 200. 4 plus 2 ma 600, average ma 600 by 3 nothing but ma 200. 65, total lectures taken by male lectures in Wednesday is what percent of lectures taken by male on Monday ma? Is what percent of ma? Whenever is what percent of ma, each term by of term into her ma. So lectures, total lectures taken by male of Wednesday, nothing but 200 by male of Monday ma. Male of Monday is how much ma? 250. 200 by 250 into 100 ma. 54 50 5 4 by 5, nothing but ma 80 percentage. 80% ma, right ma. Next, 66 to 70 ma approximate values ma. 40.09 ma, take it as 40%, take it as ma 750. It is ma 750, take it as ma 40%, nothing but ma 300. 52 into make it as ma 12. 52 into 12 ma 624. 624 minus 3 and ma 324 will balance. 324 is nothing but ma which square ma 18 square. Option D ma 18 square. Next, here ma make it as ma 5. 32 into 5 ma 160. 64% make it as ma 350. 64% ma 60% plus 4% ma 35. 6 ma 180 plus 30 ma 210. 210 plus 14 ma 210 plus 14 ante 224 minus 160 ma 224 160 difference ma 40 64. 64 nothing but ma option D. 12.91 make it as ma 13 square ma, that means it is 169. 20% of 910 ma make it as ma 910. 20% means ma 182. 182 minus 169 ma nothing but 13. 13 to 13 ma, if you cancel with 312 by 13 ma 13 2 26 ma 52. 13 fours, about 20, only one option is there ma 24. Here ma 799.9 ma make it as ma 893. 93 ma. So 727 minus 93 equals to 800 ma. So 800 minus 727 ma becomes what is the balance ma? Balance is ma 73. 73 plus 93 ma 166. Make it as ma 364. 28 square ma 784. 784 minus 78 minus 36 ma 240 to 420. So we had to get ma 420. So among that ma which percent equals to 420 ma? 10% ma 105. For 105 4 times, obviously 40 percentage. 10% ma 105 4 times ma 40%. Next, equations ma. First one ma basic question only. 20 means 4 5s minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 7, no coefficients ma. 35 5 sevens ma minus 5 minus 7. So minus 4 ma compared to both ma greater. Minus 5 equal as well as greater ma. X greater than or equals to y. X greater than or equals to y. Next, cubed root ma, it's not square root. Cubed root of 5 to nothing but ma x equals to 8. Here square ma, so y equals to plus or minus 8 ma. Whenever plus ma both are equal, whenever plus ma that is minus ma greater, so x greater than or equals to y. Option C. Next, 108 ma 12 nines minus 12 minus 9 ma 21, so x equals 12 and 9. 12 13s ma, so 12 and 13. 12 means equal and lesser. 9 ma 9 lesser. X less than or equals to y. Option B ma, x less than or equals to y. Next, 78 ma 13 6 is 78. 13 plus 6 ma 19, so x values ma minus 13 and minus 6. 104 ma 12 13 8 ma 13 8 104 13 plus 8 ma 21 minus 13 minus 8. Whenever both are minus 13 ma equal and minus 13 compared to minus 8 ma minus 13 compared to minus 8 ma lesser one, but minus 6 is lesser than both ma, sorry, greater than both ma. So whenever one less one greater ma, we can't see the relation cannot be established ma. So obviously option E ma, no relation, no relation. Next ma, 75 ma x square is 225. Whenever square ma, you get plus or minus ma 225 nothing but 15 square. So x equals to plus 15 or minus 15. Whenever square root ma, you will get only positive value ma, y is nothing but 14 ma. So plus 15 is compared to 14 ma greater, but minus 15 is lesser ma. Whenever one greater, one lesser ma, we can't see the relation. Relation cannot be established ma. No relation ma. No relation. Next, right ma, 76 ma. 76 to 80 ma. The graph shows the number of students in two class ma, A and B in 5 different years ma. So what is the first question ma? What is the sum? Question asked, what is the sum of difference between the number of students of through all the years in A and B ma? Question ma, A and B differences sum. A and B difference sum. Here what is the difference ma? 20. Difference ma 10. 20 plus 10 ma 30. 30 plus 20 ma 50. 70. 90 plus 20 ma 110. So that is ma 110 ma. 110 means ma option D. Differences sum asking ma. Next, 77 ma. Total number of students in 2012 and 15 together is approximately what percent of ma? Is approximately what percent of thing but ma is term by off term into 100 ma. So total students of 12 and 15, 12 ma, it is ma 650, 650, 820 ma, 650, 820 ma, 1470 by what percent of total students are from A in all these years ma? A of all ma, A of all, nothing but ma this one ma, that is ma 3 plus 3 ma 6, 10, 13, 17, 21, balance is ma 20, 50, 130, 150, 210 ma, nothing but ma 2310, 1470 by 2310 into 100 ma. Take it ma roughly ma 10%, we can cancel 0 also ma. 10% ma 23, for 23 ma 6 times 120 plus 18 ma 138 ma. So 60 percentage value ma 138, additional 9 is there ma. So answer should be little bit more than 60 percentage ma. More than 60 means ma 2 3 options are there ma, 3 options. See the 1% ma, what is 1 percentage ma 2, for 2 nearly 4 times 2 4 is 8 ma. So 64%, 64 means for option A. Option A. Think roughly ma. Next, 78. What is the ratio of the number of children of class B for all the years to the total number of students in class A for all the years ma? In earlier problem ma, we saw already A values ma. A total ma 2310. We saw in earlier question only ma A. Now we require ma just for B. What is the ratio of B to A? 2310 already we know ma, regarding A in earlier problem we did that ma. Now take ma B values ma. B values ma. B ma 3 plus 3 ma 6, 9, 12, 16, 20 ma 2000 and 40, 60, 140, 200, 240 ma. So 2240 ma, 2240. Question asking ma ratio ma. We can cancel 2 4. We can't cancel ma 3 table. Can we cancel in 7 table ma? 7 3 is 21. Right, but 7 3 is 21. 7 2s. 7 3 is 21. 7 3 is 32 is to 33 ma. 32 is to 33 nothing but option C. Option C ma 32 is to 33. Next, 79th ma. What is the sum of total students for class A in 2011 and 13 and total number of students in 2015 and 16 for class B? Question asking ma just for total sum. A 2011 and 13 ma. A 2011 320, 2013 400 and B 2015 and 16 ma. 2015 B, 2016 B. This totals asking ma, just add that ma. 3 plus 4 ma, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 4 ma, 15, 15 40 plus 20 ma, 15 60 ma, 1560 ma, 1560. Next ma, 80 ma. Total students in class B for all the years is approximately what percent less than a percent less. Question asking a percent less than the total number of students in both schools for all these years. Students of class B ma, in earlier problems ma, we saw also ma, already in earlier problem ma, we saw that is B value ma, already we know that ma, B value 2240. B total ma, we saw already 2240 ma, and your total also in earlier questions ma, we saw that ma, 2310 ma. But question asking B is what percent lesser than the total ma. So this is total means what is the total ma? Combined value ma, 4560 ma. Sorry, 4550. B is compared to how much percent less? Roughly also we can see that ma, in 4550 that is nearly half ma, nearly half, because 4550 half ma, 2275 ma, sorry, 2250 and 2275 ma, nearly half will be there ma. Nearly half means ma, what is ma, 55 is there, more than half ma, so obviously 50.8 ma. Here ma, no need to see exact one, rough by thinking ma, roughly we can get the idea ma, no need to do exact calculation also ma. 50.8 right ma.